Hi everyone! Today is already a great day because it is our last full day of quarantine. So welcome back to our second and final quarantine vlog. Let's hope this is the last time we're ever put through this. If you missed the first vlog, I'm just gonna leave it linked below. You can go check it out and find out how I got myself in this situation. But all that matters now is we are finally out of it and it's our last day today. So as of tomorrow at noon, I'm gonna be a free birdie. Today I am just once again gonna be doing stuff around my house. I get to leave my house today, which is exciting. I'm just able to walk to the health center and get my last COVID test. This will literally be the 4th test I've taken in the past week. But I'm gonna go get a test and then I'll just come right back home. I can't stop anywhere or go to like a cafe or anything. Can't even take my trash out, you guys. I'm not even allowed to do that. But I'm just really excited to get back out there. I feel like we definitely take our freedom and fresh air for granted. That's something I've learned. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Side note, I know you saw me put those nails on last night. I'm not sure how I feel about them. This just isn't really my style. I never wear long coffin nails. I wish you guys could have seen me getting the memory card into my camera this morning. It was such a mess. All right, so I've decided I'm gonna go to the health center early afternoon. I feel like that'll break my day up in a good way. So I'm just gonna do some stuff around my house right now and then we will head out in just a couple hours. All right, I just got a box in the mail. I'm so excited. I had the chance to pick out a few cases and even make a couple of my own custom cases from the brand. I love Casetify. In my opinion, they are the most trusted and durable brand that you can use for cases on your phone. What's cool about Casetify is you are able to customize your own case and the prices are extremely reasonable for what you are getting. All right, so here's the first one. Check this one out. So I put my name on it with like my favorite shade of blue. This one is actually made from 100% recyclable plant-based packaging, which is so special to me that I'm able to have a phone case like that. You can just take that off and then it has a little bit of styrofoam inside to keep it protected. So it's kind of like a sheer blue color. What's special about these cases is how thick the edges are. So the way it wraps around your phone, it's really, really durable on either side, which is gonna keep your phone protected whether it falls or it bangs up against something. I wanted to go for something also kind of just like plain and natural. So it is actually made from bamboo-based materials. It's 100% biodegradable and compostable. That is amazing. And it's not just plain purple, it has some kind of like these specks on it. All right, my final case, I actually posted a photo of these on Instagram and a lot of you guys liked this one. How cute is this? I saw this and I was like, okay, I have to get this. It has all of my favorite things on it. I just picked out the color. I thought the color looked really good with these stickers. Finally, if you're not using a Casetify tempered glass screen protector, I definitely recommend trying theirs out. They're very, very tough and these are honestly the only ones that I genuinely trust will help my phone. A lot of times these screen protectors pick up scratches really easily, but these ones are actually scratch resistant. These cases make the perfect holiday gift. So you can go to casetify.com/Adrienne to save 15% off your order. I thought I was gonna do a lot more like ab workouts and yoga and stuff like that. And I didn't. Like I just didn't because I didn't feel inspired to. And I definitely could have. Maybe I'll do some later tonight. But what I did do was I drank a lot of water and I've actually lost weight while being here. And I think that has to do with eating pretty clean. I've really only been eating one big meal a day, which has worked really well for me. And then I've been like snacking a little bit throughout the day. But holy moly, girl, I have been drinking my water left and right. I usually don't crave water in the morning, so I'll typically start my consumption at like noonish. I've been drinking almost 2 of these each day, so I think that's definitely helped me with my sanity. But do you guys see, like, look at this mess. Let's take care of that and then we're gonna head out. All right, I've got some laundry in, so excuse the sound there. But I think one of the things I am most excited about is just being able to take out my recycling and my trash. Surprisingly, I didn't really accumulate much trash at all. Like, I only have one small trash bag filled, and I think that's because I didn't order any delivery food. So that's a hack. If you're quarantining and you want to reduce waste because it piles up quickly, don't order delivery. This is just like an old big box I had that I filled up, and I'm gonna be able to take that out tomorrow. I also want to clean my bathroom. I'm trying to like just get everything very clean so that tomorrow I can leave my house and feel very relaxed and like I don't have to do anything in here, because I'm trying to stay out of my house for a while after being stuck in here. Next week, once I'm out, I would really like to do some closet declutter because there's just a lot of clothes that I don't wear. And I had that planned for this week, but I can't have like contact with anyone. So I can't be like leaving clothes outside my house, of course, if someone's gonna come pick them up. But like, yeah, these vests, I just never wear these. I wore this one time last year, and the thing about Korean winters is they're so cold here that you can't just go out wearing a vest. You know, you gotta have like a big old puffer jacket on. I did order another jacket kind of like this, which should come today, so I'll unbox that. But yeah, I think I need to get rid of a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna do that next week. Let me know if you guys want to see a decluttering video. I'm like shaking, and I think it's because I haven't eaten anything, so I'm gonna whip something real quick up to eat. It's currently 1:30. This is the earliest I've eaten a meal this whole quarantine. I'll usually have like a couple snacks in the morning, like an orange and like a biscuit, but I ate all my oranges. So let's make something really quick. God, I don't know how people do daily life with nails like this. I guess you just get used to them eventually, but I will definitely be probably ripping these nails off tonight. Alright, so back in college, I was actually a huge cauliflower rice lover, and I went 2 years in Korea living here, and I never bought it. And then when I got put in this quarantine, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try and get back into it. So I ordered this, and I've been eating it almost every day. It's so yummy. So I'm just gonna kind of make like a vegetable scramble with a few things, and I might throw an egg in there just for a little bit of added protein. I'm outside. Let's freaking go. This is awesome. I've never been so happy in my life to take a walk. And it's sunny. I was like, oh my god, what if it was raining? Okay, I should walk quickly. It's definitely the little things, y'all. It's the little things that matter. All right, the deed is done, and now we are heading back home. I'm actually pretty lucky, and the health center is like a good 15-20 minute walk from my house, so this has been Nice, lovely, much enjoyed exercise. The only thing I'm missing is Cleo. I miss my Cleo, but she's living it up. She's having fun. I should walk slower. Alright guys, so it is about 11 o'clock and I'm actually going to head to bed here in a few minutes. I'm getting really sleepy kind of early. Fun fact, I had this blanket like hung up on my, what's it called, curtain rod, because my house gets so sunny and so much sunshine during the day. I was getting worried about my skin getting too much sun, so I put this up to block the sun, and it did a really good job. I might have to change my curtains because I really like having something darker like this. But heading to bed tomorrow morning at around like 9:30, 10, I should get my COVID result, and then as long as it's negative, I'm back out into society. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be very careful from now on. And I mean, honestly, unfortunately, it's the type of thing that like it can't be 100% avoided, but I'm just going to take extra precautions that I wasn't taking before. And I'm really happy because tomorrow there's supposed to be waves in the ocean, so I'm going to go for a surf with my boyfriend, which makes me so happy. Like, I'm so glad we can do that together. It's something like so fun and special to look forward to. Also, like, how vibey is this? If you guys don't own a sunshine or a sunset lamp, get one. They can literally turn any room into something aesthetic, and like my candles, they just make me so happy. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. I love you guys so much. Be sure to go check out the rest of my Vlogmas videos. If you are a loyal fan, if you are a loyal, I just want to say, if you're a loyal subscriber, if you're someone that is always commenting and liking my videos, thank you so much. Your support means so much to me. You don't really understand. And like, I hope you guys know, if you're like a frequent commenter, I like recognize you, you know, like I could name off like 20 or 30 of you guys right now because I always see your comments. So thank you so much. It means so much to me. I love you. I hope you get a good night's sleep tonight, or you just have a great day if it's morning, wherever you're watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.